out here hanging out with Mark. He has got this awesome Factory 5. Mark, I'm gonna walk around the car and shoot some stuff. Tell me a little bit about it. How long have you had it? Who'd you get it from? Some of the history. These guys, these are so special. And I really, you're the source of all the knowledge for everybody watching at home. So tell us what you know.
I've had this car 5 years. I bought it from a gentleman in Fort Myers, Florida. He had it built by a company called Levy Racing out of Phoenix, and I saw it online, and it looked like a great build. And then I had my son go down. He lives in Orlando, and he drove down there and rode in it, and we FaceTimed each other, and while he drove it, and I said, man, I think this is what I want, and I bought it and brought it back here, and it's just been a fun ride.
That is so awesome. I was watching you do laps yesterday, and I was like, I need to ride in that car. It's so nice. So guys, Mark is a real one, and after a conversation, he said he'd take me for a ride, which is a great opportunity. Here at Hallett, you can take a passenger, so he's gonna take me on his ride. Most of these cars, guys, don't have the roll cage in it. So you'll see on the left and the right side, he's got roll cage for both passenger and driver. So that is basically allowing me to go with him, and we are gonna have a blast here at Hallett. Tune in, stay tuned. Guys, I just had lunch with the Rides for Hope here. These guys are working with John 316 Mission. They are sponsoring this video, and they are taking wonderful care of me. Their overall business is a nonprofit, and they are taking care of folks by getting donated vehicles from folks like yourself. If you have a vehicle that you went to trade in at the dealership and they offered you $500 scrap like they always seem to for these cheaper older cars, but it still runs, or maybe it just needs a little help to run, these guys right here, Rides for Hope, are who I'm working with today. They're taking care of me. Check them out. They take donations, they fix up the car, they then donate and give that car to an individual that is being rehabilitated from homelessness, that goes through their program, and then once they've got employment worked out, they get them set up with this car so that way they can get to and from work, they've got reliable transportation, they can get on their feet and basically become a functioning member of society like they would like to become. And it's awesome. It's a wonderful thing they're doing, and it's something close to my heart that I want to share with you guys. So please, like the video if you haven't, give them a click, go to the link up here and see if there's any way you can be a part of it. And if not, thanks for watching, we appreciate you. this Mustang sounds good. Check this out. Oh, look at this Shelby! Oh, that thing sounds so good. Ooh!